Today's businesses operate in a rapidly changing landscape. There's an undeniable surge in demand for innovation in the data space, and it's becoming increasingly challenging for businesses and IT leaders to keep pace. To help guide you on that journey, we've crafted a free webinar for those who understand that data is no longer just a byproduct, but a core ingredient in our cloud-native cookbook. Hi, I'm Alex Galbraith, CTO of our AWS business at Software One.
And could you tell us a little bit about the focus of your webinar?
We'll dive into concepts like data gravity, data inertia, unpack the data maturity journey, and underscore the critical role of data governance in that AI-centric world. Our goal is to give you the tools to evaluate and articulate your cloud data journey to the rest of your business.
And who do you believe will benefit most from your webinar?
Whether you're an architect yearning for innovation, an IT leader wrestling with governance and security, or a business leader pursuing agility and growth, we've got insights tailored for you. Before I sign off, I want to personally invite each and every one of you to join my colleague Jason Gray and me at this event. So please remember to register and secure your spot. I'm looking forward to meeting you.